The market moves sideways as we wait for its next move.
What? This is Invest with Jacob.
Okay, guys, so I had a little co-star in my intro there. My daughter wanted to spend some time with me before bed, so I hope you enjoyed that. As I said in the intro, the market basically traded sideways today. It gave us a little bit of a pullback and then traded back up to about even, and we did not break either key level to give us a clear indication of which way we're headed. Now, I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, so not a lot happened in the market today. Pullback midday and then kind of a rally up at the end there to basically trade sideways for the day. So we're still looking at our key levels. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute futures chart. And I zoomed in a little bit today so that we could see the structure and help some of you. I know you've been trying to count this up as a impulsive structure, and it's very difficult to do because it counts best as a leading diagonal. And you know how I feel about diagonals. I don't really trust them. But the thing about leading diagonals is all 5 waves are ABC structures as opposed to waves 1, 3, and 5 being 5-wave structures, while waves 2 and 4 are ABC structures. So when you have that, you need to understand how to count your waves out. And on here you would have, I'm not going to get into these microwaves too much, but just so you have an idea, you'd have an ABC up, an ABC down, and then you're up in 3 here. We pulled back in 4 in a clear 3-wave structure today, and now we're starting the move up in 5 to complete 1 of 5 of 3. So as we dig in here, it gets a little bit more complicated. So as we complete wave 1, we expect that to be around the 47.10 range. However, we have not taken out the key level that we need to take out in order to confirm we are in wave 1. Now, yesterday it was 4,700. Today it moves down just a little bit because we had this move up to complete wave 3 at 46.9725. So above that, which is essentially going to be 4,700 anyway, but above 46.9725, and we are on our way up to complete wave 1 around 47.10. Once we get that, we should get a wave 2 pullback, and wave 3 should be up around 47.75 before we get 4 and 5 up to around 4,800. The wave 2 pullback, should we get this wave 1 in place, will be where we add our second half of our position. And if not, okay, if we do not take out this high and we break down lower, okay, in a C wave, then we could be targeting 45.75 to 4,600, and that's where we will look to add the second half of our position that we bought right here. Okay, so really we're watching the same 2 levels as yesterday, except the top came down just a little bit. That's 46.97 now instead of 4,700 because of where 3 topped. And on the way down, we're watching 46.50. It can come down as low as 46.50 because it is a diagonal, and wave 4s often enter wave 1 territory. So that is not unexpected if it does come down. But if it breaks 46.50, we would expect it to go lower towards that 45.75 to 4,600 region. So not a lot changed from yesterday. Today, we're still watching our key levels and looking for this breakout to complete 1 or break down to start the C wave. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, including my buy and sell alerts, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it will take you over to Facebook. Now, when you get to my group, you do have to get approved to get in. And all I ask is that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come on over to Facebook. We'll get you in to my Facebook group. And from there, you hit this featured button. Hit that, scroll down, and you'll see our documented trades. That way you can see everything we've traded on the channel since we've started. Scroll down just a little bit farther and you will see a link to my Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel, and I am on there all day giving real-time market updates, our buy and sell alerts, answering all your questions, and it's a very talented group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert. It's an incredible place to learn or improve your trading. Okay, guys, so come on over. Let's make some money together. Key takeaways for today. We are watching for the market to break this 46.97 level on the way up to confirm we are going to go ahead and complete 1 and start our march toward 4,800. Or we are watching for the market to come down and break 46.50, at which time we would expect the market to fall down towards that 4,600 to 45.75 region in the C wave, then start the march toward 4,800. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.